of any air show or any group of airplanes being in the air at the same time is called the rejoin. When they're identical aircraft, that's one thing. But when you get aircraft that were literally built more than 40 years apart and getting them to rejoin, that's another story. Right out in front of you now, you see it being done with great aplomb by Major Henry Shantz in the F-22 Raptor and Vlado Lenik in the P-51 Mustang. The other thing that we're going to see in this formation is the fact that the Mustang will be flying at over 2/3 of its top speed, and the Raptor will be flying less than 1/4 or 1/5 of its top speed. So this is going to be a very, very interesting formation and very, very much worth your while as we listen to music written by Dwayne O'Brien of the band Little Texas. He came to us at an air show a number of years ago and said, "I wrote this song about the warbirds. I hope you like it." We did, and for nearly 15 years, the Air Combat Command has been using this song as the song we remember as its anthem for the United States Air Force Heritage Flight. John?
Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to take a moment to describe the history behind what you are about to watch. In 1997, the leaders of Air Combat Command selected a select group of retired military and civilian pilots to celebrate the 50th anniversary of the United States Air Force. From this gathering, the Heritage Flight was born. Flying in formation today, a World War II era P-51 Mustang piloted by Mr. Vlado Lenik, and your United States Air Force F-22 piloted by Major Henry Shantz.